On January 15, 1919, a massive tank in Boston's North End burst, unleashing a wave of molasses that surged through the streets at 35 miles per hour. This bizarre disaster, known as the Great Molasses Flood, occurred when a 2.3 million-gallon tank ruptured. The sticky deluge swept away buildings, overturned vehicles, and tragically claimed 21 lives while injuring over 150 people. Residents reported the smell of molasses lingering for weeks. The aftermath led to lawsuits against the United States Industrial Alcohol Company, revealing safety violations. This unusual event remains a haunting reminder of industrial negligence and the unexpected chaos of nature's sweet side.